Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting hotel review. Today we're checking out the Hyatt Centric The Pike, Long Beach. Flew in on Southwest Airlines for a quick one-night stay here before it cruised out of Los Angeles' cruise port. Overall, I'm a globalist with Hyatt, so I love staying at Hyatt's. This is a nice little hotel, a good deal on points for sure. It's only 12,000 points a night, though that is getting raised this year with Hyatt's latest devaluations. Small little restaurant in the lobby, that's where they serve their breakfast. Breakfast was really good. Had a nice little avocado toast there, a little bit of health before the cruise. Not too much else with the property. They do have a rooftop with a pool that it was absolutely freezing in January when we were there, but that is available, probably really nice in the summertime. It is located right in the middle of a nice mall area in downtown Long Beach. Lots of stuff to walk to, including the Aquarium of the Pacific, so lots of cool stuff there. Really tiny gym, really not enough room to do much except for a run on the treadmills there, so just keep that in mind if you are visiting and a gym nut. Here's a look at the room. So overall, really nice. What I really liked was it had a lot of cool placemaking, had a lot of containers on the wall because we are in Long Beach. They didn't shy away from that part of Long Beach's history and big economy, so I really like that. Lots of little nautical nooks and little touches there. So overall, really loved the room here. Everything felt really nice and new, and it was nice and clean and easy to share with my brother-in-law right before the cruise. So overall, really liked the Hyatt Centric The Pike, Long Beach. There's a Hyatt Regency right across the street. I've stayed there before, and I liked the Hyatt Centric's little boutique feel a little bit more. If you like these types of videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.